Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Marcel Putri with student number 302432078H. And this video report, I would like to present my practical report about web scraping using an API and time series forecasting with the ARIMA models. In these practical sessions, we college historical weather data from the Open Meteo API, process the data using Python, and then predict future temperature values using the ARIMA forecasting method. And the first step, we import the required library, which are request and pandas. The request library is used to send an HTTP request to the Open Meteo API, while pandas is used to organize and manipulate the data into a data frame. Unlike traditional web scraping that extract data from HTML page using Mutable Shop, in this project we directly access an API. And after that, we specified the API URL, include the latitude, longitude, and start date, end date, and the weather variable that we want to collect, which is the daily average temperature. Next, we create a function called scrape weather data. Inside these functions, the program sends a request to the API using request get and convert the response into the JSON format. From the JSON response, we extract two important column, the date and the average daily temperature. These two columns are stored in a pandas data frame. And finally, the dataset was displayed and saved into the CSV. And next, after obtaining the dataset, we continue with the forecasting process using the ARIMA models. First, we convert the date column into the date time from and set it an index because ARIMA works with time series data. Before building the model, we visualize the temperature data using a line chart to observe its pattern over time. And next, the dataset was divided into the two parts. 80% to training and 20% to testing. The ARIMA models was built using the parameter 111, where P represents the autoregressive component and D represent this differencing and key represent the moving average component. After training the models, we generate a predict for the testing data and compare with the actual value. And to evaluate the model performance, we calculate the RMSH or Roadman square error, RMSE measures how close the predict value are to the actual data. In general, a lower RMSE indicate better predicts accuracy. And the last, we visualize the testing testing data, and forecast result on the same graph to see how well the model follow the actual trend. And we forecast to the future and save into the CSV. In conclusion, this practical word demonstrate how an API can be used as a data source instead of traditional web scraping. We successfully collect historical weather data processed in using Python and applied the ARIMA models to forecast future temperature values. That's all my presentations, and thank you.